Good morning, everybody. 5 minutes and the market is gonna open. I'm gonna tell you my morning trading process and how we desktop mix. Um, I'm gonna talk to you about my morning process. How how I pick my stocks. Um, I either look for massive gaps right here, like this is a massive. The stock closed yesterday at 393.41. And it's gonna open right here. You can see it at 368 right here. It's kind of a resistant area right here. So my odds for this stock to push up, go back up, okay? Can't see it how big the gap is, but the minute it gaps up, the minute I see like a color change and the red stops, like a green candle takes out the red candle, I'll enter long. As far as Apple, my most preferred play is the one where it's narrow range. I couldn't find anything tighter, narrow range like, but I found the Apple. It's gonna open at 312, which is right here. It's a very good location to take it long, going up. So we'll see how that works. And the indicators are indicating it's going down. It's like red all the way, but it might pop $1, $2. The only issue we have is like I only have 100,000, so I gotta play it right. I don't have that much leverage on this play. So we'll see if this one opens above this. We're taking it long. We wait the first minute or 2 minutes till it confirms. And if the bar is red, we don't do anything. But if the bar is green and it gets taken out, we take it long and we put our stop appropriately where our losses are. So we'll see right now. Market's gonna open in about 2 minutes. That's basically the process. Like if you look at other stocks, look at this one, like Nvidia, the 200. See how like it's like all over the place. It's all over the place away from the 200, so you can't play this one. Let's look. We still have 2 minutes, I guess, to go. Look at Palantir. Palantir's semi okay. It's 140. It's 141. So it's gonna open right here. And I don't like this. It's all over the place, so we're not gonna play it. Let's see Robinhood. That's out of the play. This one right here looks decent. Disney. Where is it gonna open? 99.70. So it's gonna open somewhere around here, but it's in the trap zone, so we're not gonna play it. This one either the 200 just see how it is. It's not flat. I need a flat 200 and flat SMAs, the 21 and the 8. They're all flat like this right here. See how they're like kind of tight? This is somewhat tight. Let's look at Starbucks. No. This one looks beautiful right here. GLD. Where is it going to open? At 404, which is right here. This is going to be quick. I have to, the market had opened. Okay, so let's go back and see. Apple gapped up. I'm going to see if I can take arm long. Should have entered already. Let it pull back a little bit. Let's see. It might just hammers down because I wanted it to go down first. I'd like them to go the first bar like show red and then goes up. Completely collapsed. Okay. Go. Apple is dumping down too. I usually wait the first minute. Okay, those are my levels right here. I need it to break down a little bit more. It's already extended. I'm gonna take it long right now. I'll be adding to it a little bit. The only issue, we have to reload because in the morning it doesn't do it. Here we go. We're in. 50 shares. Let's add a little bit more. I'm going to take Apple long too. Let's reload again. You can see these plays. All right. Let's look at ARM. ARM is making $88. I have 75 shares only. I'm going to take one off right here. Apple also is making money right here if you look at it. I'm going to mark the high right here if we could take profit right here. Because this is a negative, kind of like in a negative territory. So we can't give it any chance to lose anymore. So I'm going to put my stop at break even here. If it gives me this play, we'll make 318 bucks. Not bad the first 4 minutes of the day. There we go. Push through. I'm going to take one right here too. We're out. It failed to break it, so we pulled in like 150 bucks, 175 bucks, I believe. Then look at the starting. I think we pulled in like 200 bucks. Let's focus on Apple. We should have 2 more bars in Apple, hopefully. It's in a good area. It broke this bar. So let's see. Stop right here. Risking $102 on it. I love this play. Huge gap. Everybody exiting. They do a little fake out. Everybody dodge out of town. They exit. You take the pullback and you get out. You have to be very quick on this play right here. Okay, let's see Apple. If it breaks this bar, I'm going to reduce a little bit till it gets to that 8. Okay. I took one off on Apple. If it breaks this rate again, we'll add it. This reloading thing, especially in the morning, sucks. It absolutely sucks. And the delay, like you see a delay. If this was on Zoom, it would be 10 times better. Visa looks good here. This bar gets taken out already, pumped. See Nvidia. dumping, volunteer. See like the gap, boom, 139. It's not that big of a gap. But I'm focused on Apple still. Google. Techs are firing up, which is good. See Oracle too. It opened here probably, gapped up to here. It's quick, $3-4. You just take it. You don't want to be greedy and wait till it goes here. If it gives you $1, $2 pop, first two minutes of the day, you get good at this. You enter 1,500 shares, make $1,000. You're on your way to the beach. That quick. See ExxonMobil. All right, that's good. Oil is dropping. That means tech will go up. The SPY just dropped hard too. Wow. SPY's down. The same thing, it opened, boom, gapped up. You think that's not much, but it is a lot. 71.51. 52.82, literally like $1.50. This might be tricky right here, so I'm not going to give any of this money back. Let's see when it breaks this, if it's going to continue. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to see if this is a pokey or it's a true play. Okay, confirmed. I added. I don't want to risk more than $188 on this play. And I'm going to put my stop underneath that 8. I got two solid green bars here. See them? A lot bigger than anything. So it's still in here, man. We still have juice. Anything could happen, you know. This is not a financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes, guys. You have to say this stuff. Sorry. And we are doing paper trading. We're not doing real money. This is paper trading. See how they're buying that pullbacks? Beautiful. If we can get another fat bar right here, 3 bars. Target would be probably the even number, which is 316. That would be my target on Apple. If it pulls through, it's kind of sluggish. Nothing's happening here. Let's see if there's a target here. See that wall of red right here. Let's see. Still maintaining that 50%, you see right here. If it drags too long, it's going to crash. If it takes this is tiny risk for them. They can enter here and pump it to that 316. It's a very low risk play. The minute this gets taken out, we have a chance for it to pop. If not, this one is going to fail. Okay, I'm gonna reduce one here. I'm gonna reduce another one here. I reduce my risk. Let's see. I don't have to take the full stop. There's plenty of trades. It's kind of sleepy today. See where it opens right here? Usually like this was Monday or Tuesday, this would have been here already. All right, let's see. See if it's gonna get halted by that 8. My stop above here. See how the SPY is dumping. It's telling us the market is like in a downtrend. Let's see. We see strategy. Apple. Got our target and Apple right there. Palantir. Wow. Woof. Would you look at that? I don't like to trade it when it goes up like this and it just gets crushed. All right, looks like Apple's gonna fail. I'm gonna reduce a little bit more. We are officially in a downtrend. Tesla's down, Microsoft is down, Netflix. What does that tell you? We're in a downturn. Look at this one right here. It's beautiful. Tight range. Solid red bars dropping. Intel. Micron is dumping. QCOM. See if we can take this QCOM to that 8. That's a beast, man. Let me see if there's any support on the sucker. Where is it at? Probably the target's right here. Kind of close. I'm on a short QCOM. 25 shares. Look at the stop loss, like 25 shares, how much you lose, like $700 if it goes back up here. That's how volatile this thing is. On 25 shares, you're risking $702. It's just a normal stop. Look how fast you make money on this thing. If you have a weak heart, do not trade this thing. See if it dumps. Come on, Palantir. Wow. I'll be taking 5 shares off on 25 shares. Just doing what I don't want to ruin my Friday. I'm up like 2,500 for the week, so definitely ruin your weekend. Making $85 on MU. See if it dumps some more. 105, 111. I'm gonna take 5 off. I always take 5. Whenever I see $100, I take some of my profit on the first 100. I take. Let's see if this thing keep dumping. Will my stop to break even? Making $100 again, 108. Dump some more. Give us a fat red bar. We go dump another dollar almost. Remember, guys, that's only 20 shares. It's like entering Wells Fargo. I'm going to take another 5 right here. This is like you're playing the NQ on the futures. Looks like Apple's not working. We haven't hit our stop on it, so we'll see. Keep dumping, yeah, yeah. Dump some more. Look, on 15 shares, you're making 128 bucks. Just dropped $5. I'm gonna take another one right here. That's $2 profit, literally. We entered here. That move looks small, but it's 531, 536. It just dropped like $10. It's nuts. Take another one. Tech is getting hammered before the IPO. Everybody's unloading. I guess they're gonna load up into SpaceX. Oh my god. Woo! Look at Palantir. It just ripped. Are we gonna let these 5 shares play? We're risking 3. We're gonna make profit $3. We're just gonna let this $5 play. If this continue going down, Micron could go down 40, 50 bucks. Let's look at Apple. That's the bar I'm looking for on Apple. So I'm gonna take it, add to it. 125 shares. This bar shouldn't be taken. Put my stop right here. We should get another follow through bar. If not, I'm out. I don't care. I'm risking $29 on this play. Let Micron do his thing. Hopefully it drops another 30, 40 bucks. This bar here should not be taken out. If it's taken out, we don't want to play this. See how the reds are small, 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 small? If this bar gets taken out, we don't want to be in this play. It's just like nothing's happening here. Volatility is here. Good morning. Let's look for something else. I don't know. No, we don't have that much. I don't like this apple. If it gives me this much, I'm happy. Like Palantir for a long play. It's a bit extended. All right, we're out of apple. Gave him $29. Not bad. I guess it's going to follow the trend. Let's look at MU. We got saved by the 8 on MU. If this market's taken out, this might drag to 900. Look at that Palantir, man. This is the grand finale right here. I'm going to take this long on Palantir. See if we can pull some money out of it. Quick money. At least right to that 8 right here. Risking $25 on this play. Palantir pulls up. That'd be a nice play. If it retraces right to here, like let's say 50%, I'll be taking some profit right at the 8. I'm going to take one here on Palantir. Usually the first bar collapse. Come on, MU, collapse, collapse. Don't take my stop. Thank you. MU listens. Okay. Nope. MU go down. Break that green bar. Break it hard. There we go. Palantir. I'm going to take another one right here at the 8. And I'm going to move my stop to break even. We got saved here, guys. Woo! Beautiful. 5 shares are making. There's still another 5. Let's get rich today. So you always like be worried about this. I'm gonna take another one here. Especially the first green bar, usually they collapse. I like to take them and actually take profit. That's where I put my stop at the beginning. We're at break even, so we'll let it rip right now. If it continues all the way to here, it will be a nice play. Look at that MU on 10 shares. You're making 60 bucks. We got out on Palantir. Made a little bit of money. Let's see if MU continues ripping down. Yeah, move my stop a little bit above that. Like that 18. Right there. Risking $4 on this play. It's a free trade. 97. If I see 100, I'm going to take 5 shares off. 109. So I'm going to take one off. Made 50 bucks. 60 bucks on it. It is dumping. Wow. It's going to be a brutal day today. Profit taking to the max. Look at these fat red bars. It's just telling you, man, we're going down. Let's see, what is this? Axiom. Salesforce. You might short this right here. It goes back up here. I'm going to buy a MU right here. I'm out. $61, $61, guys. Does weird things, this thing, man. It's just crazy stuff. Look at that. It's just dragging. And that's a solid red bar. He's going to get another bar right there. Boom. I'm gonna build a position on this sucker right here. Let's reload. We're shorting sale force 200 shares. I'm gonna short more. I like it. It's already done here. I don't know. I should have moved up. There's a delay. See when a green bar like this get whacked, tells you who's in charge. See if we can make a good lick on this sucker right here. There we're gonna break even. 52 bucks, 100 bucks. Dump a bit more. It was $1. There we go, 136. This should be a lot more, but it's delayed. I'm gonna take one right here. Should target right here. Should drop off of it. See if we can get this target right here. Oh man. I pull back. Let me take one right here. Should get another bar, at least another red. Beautiful. Now I'm on my stop to break even. Got Apple absolutely collapsed. Today is the short day. This thing collapsed too. Beautiful. Yeah. Let's go. Well, that's that target right here I was talking about right here. Liquidations right here. Should have took one right here. Should have stick to my stop. But it looks like it's powerful, man. The green just got taken out right now. So we'll take one off, 25 shares. Took 50 shares off. Because it might yank back at that support right there. Might as walk away with something. Beautiful day. Making monies. Beautiful trades. The reason being is like I'm iffy here. This one right here, see that? Right there. That's where the long started. And now they got all stopped out. If it cracks through this, which is looks like it, it's just hammering down. It might break down. And we already have one leg right here, so have more juice to go down. See? We broke it. You don't want to take profit too early. Okay. This might be Friday on record today. The market's going to be down hard. This thing already dropped from 192, 187. Two tails. Fill that tail again. Let's take some profit down there. Fill it up, fill it up. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to take one right here. 25 shares. Oh, let's go. Drop to 186. I'll take one here too. Okay, it's cooked. It is cooked. I might go back to our break even. Oh, never mind. My thoughts are killing me. Whoa, beautiful. Left with 50 shares. I'm kind of like very conservative today. I usually play heavy. Let's take one off. Nothing wrong with taking profits. I'm just going to let it do its thing. I'm going to put it at 186. Takes the stop, that's fine. Leave a runner. Oh, Mr.'s 119. Let's look at Bitcoin because that's how I trade Mr. I used to trade Mr. a lot on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right there. It didn't break the 60 yet, but it's on its way. So Mr. is a short. Oof. Ideas shorting. Palantir still hemorrhaging. $138, it got to at 137. It's probably going to go to 136. You need to go back to that 20 right there, somewhere here. I'll be taking shorts only. I need something like fat, like this fat bar. Tells me, hey man, we're going to continue with this. I need to adjust this right here. That's the stop loss right here. I don't want to mess with that. Take profit right here. 186. 186.07. Here we go. Palantir. Let's see. See how the red is the green, I mean, shallow, jaggedy, tails, tiny. Look at the red. Solid, solid. When you see it like this. Now, what you need is something like this. Take all this garbage out and you continue with the short. But right now, you don't do nothing. They're basically like shorting every pop right here. They're just like loading, 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 loading. Hey, love it. This thing cannot wait to go down. But they're still accumulating. I want it to go up here. Look at all this green. That's how you got to look at the market. Green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like eight bars. It didn't even take one red bar. It took 8 bars to take one red bar. So the pressure is down. At the same time, anything can happen. Let's play some music, man. What do you know? This thing collapsed. Let's see if it touch the break-even point. I'm shorting Palantir right here. I like it here. You get some kind of pullback right to here. I'm gonna reduce one right here. Not giving money back. Let's see now. I was hoping for like, it usually dumps when it hits that 20. I know they were faking it out. You're gonna take that stop right here. You got kicked out of here. I'm gonna take my stop right here. Right after these stops right here, this short. Let's wait for that fat red bar. We're up like 600 bucks with, yeah. I think we started with 440. 4,000, 403, something like that. Go back to my original plan. We need a red bar to wipe off 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, something like that. Then we'll short. There we go, the short is building up. Continuations. We'll make a grand today. See that red bar? It's getting bigger and bigger. I like it. Solid red, baby. We are shorting Palantir, boys. Shorting 600 shares. Don't care. Look at that. Oh, Salesforce also dumped. See if we can hit that target. First 100 shares. Another solid red bar. It should have a follow through. Come on, rip through. I might take one right here. Just my risk is enormous on this play. I took two. Here we go, hit that target. Come on, baby. Oh, hit it. Took it. Beautiful. I'm on my stop to break even. This could be a fat play, guys. I'm gonna take one at the new low and let those 200 rip. We might produce another dollar, like to that 136. That target should be right here, that 136. I'm gonna take one right here, guys. It's just too much money let go on the table just for this thing to fire back up. I got the SMAs right underneath me. I need to get rid of this right here. I'm just gonna let this thing, my target's 136.04. Let's see if we can get that. We're risking 86 bucks on this thing. Like give back, you know, basically give back 86 bucks if it decided to fire back up. I'm hoping it gets rejected. We're in a good spot right here. It gets rejected right here on the SMAs. Needed to drop more, so the SMAs will drop a little bit more, give us more cushion. Come on, don't hit us, stop even. Go down. It's a salt green bar, it's gonna push through. Dump, 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 dump. So, oh man, we're right at the edge. Ooh. Breakdown. Oh my god, we got stopped out. Watch it dumps down again. Ooh, oh man. That's why I take profits. Who's gonna take this short? It's beautiful short right here. Oh, this is just confirmed, man. Let's see if this one confirms the same way right here. 2 bars. Nothing happens here. Might short it again. This is still valid right here. There's nothing here. It's just emptiness. This happened way back in the days. This happened in May. May what? May 26th, so we might retest this. It's far, far away. All the way in the goons. And it might be like a recovery. Never know. This one gives us a chance to re-enter. I'm going to short 25 here. Not risking much on it. Stop right here. 15 bucks. it drops to that even number right here, that 186, make like $37. I like to do these plays. It builds my confidence, and it also, like, it's not costing me much to see. Like this red bar right here whacked everything, so it's right on the SMA, so it should fail, should continue down. We got stopped out, hey man, $15, nothing. All right, let's see Nvidia. Nvidia's going up. Apple fired back up. It's in the range. Let's see, Apple's recovering. Nvidia's pulling back. Volunteers pulling back. Robinhood's pulling back. But we're still in a short though. Alphabet, ExxonMobil, Boeing. Failed to make a new high. Okay, back to the SMAs. This one I'll wait. If it goes back, might go back up here. Looks like it might be in a channel. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go to the bathroom. Ooh. I gotta pee on myself, man. No longs for sure today, shorts only. Absolutely no longs today. Oh, Tesla's down to 400. Almost there. Netflix is taking a hit too. Get MU fired back up. 914. It's $85 move. Got stopped out on this one right here. There we go. Let's see if this is a recovery, but you need fat red bars. Everything's moving up now. %. Look for the 50%. There we go. There's where the short started right here. They liquidated, so they can add more shares to dump more, and they might go after these guys right here. MU's targeting this short right here. So let's say you shorted here or right here, right? Right now you got liquidated. That would create more short. I want to see Micron. I want to see on the 10 minutes. This bar just taking off the red. Let's look on the 5. Still have juice to go more up. I was gonna short it right here. I was gonna hit that short so bad. Oh, would have been. That's not even Micron. That's MCI. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Let's stay away from the beast. The beast is Micron is going to take all our money. We don't want to play it. Snowflakes, let's see. Pulled back. It's a massive drop right here. Pulled back. 50% of this move right now. And it's dumping hard. How fast this thing moves. This is what I was gonna play in the morning short. Yeah, it did gap. Didn't do much because the move already happened. 105. So the whole day probably moved $4. It created that in one freaking sweep, so that's why I had to pull back. Okay. Failed to break that red right here. Let's see this bar, how this bar closes. Also, this one failed to make a new high. What's the spread on this thing? 16. It's 35 cents. That is ginormous. It breaks this bar right here. If you get a neutral bar, which is like right in the center right here, you need to wait for something to break above this or below this. See, like nothing happened here. This might continue going up. It's getting rejected. They did a little fake out right here. Possibility it might get rejected. Everyone shorted right here. Don't like this because it might move back up here. Take those stops. I want it to pull back, retest this, and fail. That's a solid red right here. But the bar is not that big. Now it's confirming. Let's look at it at the 5 minutes. There you go, see? Looks good on the 5 minute. You got a solid green, tiny bars, 2 green bars. You try to push it, stayed within that 50% of that bar. And staying in the bottom 30% of that red bar. Oh, I only showed it. 100 shares. Put my stop right above this collection right here. Oh, fuck. I put stop instead of freaking sell, bro. Take profit right here on top of this one right here. Middle of it. I'm still thinking it's going to retest this top. I'm going to reduce a little bit on this. Just in case this thing decided to pop. Took 2 off. I'm going to let it play. It will be an epic drop if it drops. Create a new low. Need to make more than that. There's an even number here. 37. 236 is more valid. telling you, this sucker is just bouncing. Just sideways, choppy chop. Good morning. If it takes that little tiny red, I might add to it. Failed to make a new high right here. Market is dumping hard today. Freaking snowflake. It's flaking. Should dump now if it's gonna dump. All right, I'm out. I don't have to give him all the money. Did you take any trades today? Oh, Tesla. Tesla might see the 300. This continue, or it might gap up tomorrow like 423. Let's look at that new low. What is that number right here? 406. What is it at? And if we can get ARM to clear that bar right here, it is going to go down to here. See right here, that's what I wanted to happen. It confirmed. Let's see. This short might happen right now. It's a beautiful tail right here. See how it's going to close? We still have a minute and a half, so. There we go. They liquidated all the shorts right here. They collected more shares. Now they can dump it hard. That's what the scenario talk about. So we'll see. Just need this minute to finish. See how they pulled back up here? They liquidated these guys. They created the short. Everybody got stopped out again. Now it might touch that new low. But we do need that bar to close red. If it stays green, that means we're continuing up. How much we're risking on this? 38.80, 40.21. It's about $1. Let's see, ARM's broken the super trend right here. Let's see if it's going to break that super trend or not. If ARM give us a red bar like this here, we'll take it short. Looks like Snowflakes is working. Damn it. Let's see. This is the fake out or a true green. I gotta wait on it. I just don't. I'm waiting on it a minute. I'm gonna take it to the 36 if it gives it to me. I just wanted to confirm. Chill out, man. Chill out. Enter. All right, we're gonna go short. Snowflake. 300 shares. Target 236. And I'm up $600. I shouldn't enter that much. Should have. I knew it. I'm still short. Freaking ARM confirmed the super trend. Let's see if it's gonna crack it down now. I see more green than red. I'm gonna take one right here. That is nothing, man. What is this? It is taking its sweet time. Keep an eye on this sucker right here with that super trend. If it pops underneath it, that means it collapsed. It might go down back to here. See, it broke it. If it takes that big bar, we need to short this. 25 shares just for testing. Should have a little follow through on this bar. Boom! Did you see that drop? Hell yeah. Oh man, I should have shorted that. I'm shorting the arm. 50 shares. Stop above here. Profit right here. Why would you want to exit? You got a solid red bar. I'm gonna reduce one on ARM. All right, I'm shorting ARM. 125 shares. If it breaks that 8, I'm out. Who's the crazy one now? I'll take one off. Look at that ARM, man. I'm gonna take one off on ARM. There's that massive red green bar right here. Now's the time for what? Okay, I'm gonna reduce one here. It failed. This one is sideways. We're done with it. Let's focus on ARM. I know, but look at this red massive bar right here. You should have had a little follow through on it. But that's the zone right here where you, like, yeah, they took the stops out and continued. But they did the same thing here. We're in a downtrend. If this get, I was hoping for another push, just like right here. That would have been $1. This is the zone right here for this. What are you talking about? ARM? ARM's done? Yeah, they did liquidate here. But our ARM is hammered. I'm going to see if I can hit my target right here on it. It'll be 213 bucks. I'll take one here and another one here. Move my stop to break even. I'm risking nothing on this play. 47 bucks I might give back. I really need to liquidate here. I'm gonna put it above that super trend because that might be the bottom right here. The super trend's still green, so sometimes it pierces through it or just fires back up. Oh, I'm out. I watch these super trend lines right here, this one and that one. That might be the bottom, and that might hit our target. I don't know. Bro, I hope you don't trade like that, man. You just... Ooh, look at strategy. Ooh, 117. The $90 is coming. Today is like the short day. We're good right now. We're good. I'm looking for another play. Ah, that would have hit a target. Oh, look, it did hit our target right there. Boom. Boom! Oh my god. Ew. I was short Apple here. Beautiful short. Two bars. I'm going to short Apple right here. 300 shares. Okay, I'm going to sell one here. Oh, buy one. It needs to reject hard. I'm going to take one right here just if this trend is going to continue. Ooh, the stop right above this. Needs to break this bar hard. Come on, Apple, give us one more bar. Okay, I'm out. I'm gonna out at the break even. If it doesn't break that red down there, we're out. The 20 is tilted down, so that's good. How much we're risking? $15. That's nothing. We'll let it rip. Let's see if this one gonna go all the way to the bottom. Look at our man. Oh, what a mistake that was exiting. Arm to the bottom. Reconfirmed again on the super trend is red. We'll see how that does right here. Yeah, I know Apple was going to do that. Pull back. He didn't lose any money on this trade. Whew. Let's see if ARM gonna collapse right here. Look at NVIDIA, man. Buy NVIDIA, buy. Believe me, the passion is here, man. Get that gap on the SPY. 757. It's a $10 drop. Tesla's fighting that 400 so hard. They've been at it for like ever. 1, 2. What are you, a travel agent? You're trying to sell tickets? If this thing right here pushes, what is that? It's literally 360. It's literally $2. I think it's more likely to touch this right here. If it breaks this green line right here, how was your trading? Are you making millions? Or are you part of the 95%? AJ. AJ JP. Okay. I'm taking arms all the way to that 20 for a quick click. 369 bucks. Hopefully we don't become the victim here. Oh. This thing can take your money fast. That's what I was afraid of. You got hammered. Ooh. Added more, actually. What a mistake. I was going to exit some of that position. Jesus Christ, it took all our money. We're going to short arm to oblivious. Arm just confirmed to the downside. Short it all the way to here. This should produce another bar. Just gonna raise my target just a hair. Took a big hit on that arm. Gonna get the money back right now. Wow, from $400 to $300 loss. Unbelievable. I was just gonna press take profit at the 400, take couple off. Come on, push hard, 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 hard. A little bit more. Take one here. Man, son of a gun. Bro, we were just making 400 bucks on this play right here. Now we lost like 800 bucks. I'm reversing this. This pulls through, will make $903 at the 20. Win above that. It's right on that super trend right here. They took all our money. Damn it. Let's see. I think it's going to that 20. It's going to touch that 20, hopefully. Yeah, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Let's go. Last 8 seconds. We need it to turn green. Do not go back for red. Pop, pop again. Oh, damn it. It didn't take that green bar yet, so we're good. Come on, arm, go green. Take that red bar. Take it, take it. It'll be a one-shot firecracker all the way to that $900 target. There we go. Come on, arm. Watch it. Watch, 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 watch. Watch that. How you make $900. Come on, keep pushing. 471. I'm gonna take one here. Take another one. $600. This is gonna continue, bro. I'm gonna raise my target up. A fucking 20 dropped a little bit. 493. Let's take another one off. That leaves us with 100. Just in case it collapses at that 20. Let's see. It's like it's holding that level. Type top line for Wall Street. I'm up. Oh, I bought another one. Let's see. I seriously think this is going to continue going up. Let's see. It fires back to break even with exit. Okay. All right, we're out. And we're down $700. It's right in the zone. There we go. Volatile day today, man. Now it's gonna hit that target right here. Let's see. He's trying to crack this right here, but it's struggling. We tried it here one time, so we might go down back to here. Our original target, which is right here. It's like $4. That's a good red right here. It took a bunch of these. You see it on the 5 and the 10 minutes. All right, it confirmed on the 10 minutes. I'm going to short the arm right here again. Wow. Okay, it's going to touch that 20. Let's see. It's going to collapse. Sam's Club is hiring. I love Sam's Club. Watch, watch. Hopefully we'll make some money off this play right here. 1,300 bucks. Just needs to take that green. Yeah, here we go. Break that green. The spread on it is like 30 cents. Yo, come on, dump. Up more. Put on to 36. Don't tell me this bar is not going to have another bar. Here we go. We'll take some off right here. $87. We'll take some here. Let's see if we can make that $5.99 profit. Come on, dump. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, man. Fill it again. I guess I'm not going to Sam Club today. Let's hit that target. Hit that target. $449. Come on, man. There we go. Beautiful. Take that target. I'm going to take one here. Take another one. She's right at the liquidity right there. They got to liquidate these. It's going to dump a little bit more, hopefully. And we should have we would have made like 1,300 bucks on this play. Boom. 4,004 back to profitability. Going to Disneyland. Going to Disneyland. Sam Club boy. This should have another bar right to here, actually. Ooh, fuck. This is solid red. Oof, look at that. Ooh. Jesus Christ. Damn it. I just wanted to get my money back. So we're good. We're back to profit land. We're up $600 so far. Ooh, that would have been like $2,000. Let's look here. Everything's dumping again. I'm going to short MU right here. Right to that new low. You can't go crazy with MU. Oh. See if it fucking punched down. Punch down at that 8. Come on, MU. See if MU can give us $300. We took it right here. Right there. See if this bar gets annihilated. Or I'm out. I might take MU long. Reversing MU. I think I'm very tired right now. Ooh, I was correct about it. I'm gonna take MU right to here, guys. I'm sticking to it. Right up here. And I'm gonna add the fuck out of it. It got rejected. Drop it right below that 8. Right there. That should be the target for MU if we can get it. Need to follow the 8. Come on, MU. Take one here. I'm gonna take two off. We'll take one over, another one, another one, another one. No, this is the other guy's card. The regular card. That's not your card, no.
Where is my card?
It's in the card.
Huh?
I'm gonna let this one rip right to here, man. Looks like it's gonna take it. Let's put my stop right here. I'll put my stop right here at break even. Yeah, any of those, yeah. For your car, right? Yeah.
Where have
Don't worry about this one. Yeah, I'm lying. Just use the other two cars. You should be good. Other. I like how the 8 is curving right here. It works. This might fire back up to that 20. Go, I'm you. Beautiful. One more bar, baby. One more bar. Oh, I took my stop. Son of a gun. Oh, I didn't. It did. This might be my last trade. All right, guys, I'm done here. Thanks, everybody, for coming in. We'll call it a day. I might do a couple of trades more, try to cover. But we're back to the original. I think we started with 3,200 or can't remember. We'll go back at it tomorrow, maybe. I need to take a break. And as was such a winning streak, and then I start doing stupid stuff, over trading. That's another issue. We're over trading today. All right, guys. Thanks everybody for coming in. Thank you. Have a good day. Enjoy your weekend. Beautiful weekend. Bye. Hopefully everybody have a good time.